This is an O2J that was in a gasser, I believe a 1.4 Jetta, 2015 probably, maybe 2017. It doesn't matter. It's very rare to have a 5-speed in a modern car like that. But we did have a problem with fifth, and you can see here the gear teeth are completely destroyed on the outside edge of that. Its companion gear, very, very damaged also. These gears were priced out of the range of what's reasonable, meaning you could buy, you would think you could buy a used transmission for that amount. We had a lot of trouble finding a used transmission for that because it's very rare for those cars to have manual transmissions in them. Oh, just so you know, there's some of the gear teeth and metal that came out of the fifth cover. But we were going to make an attempt to put fifth gears in this and keep driving it, but as you can see in here, there is no bearing left inside there, and that bearing would be very difficult to change in the car. I don't think it would even be possible. I think it has to be installed from the other side upwards. But if I'm wrong on that, I don't care. That would be very difficult to change. We did find a used transmission, had to bring it in from out of state for this customer, and that fixed it. But this is what you find sometimes when you try to make a repair on fifth gear.